Kaspa for once is not just shooting up, up, and up, okay? While other parts of the market like BTC went up 7% yesterday, gained a lot of market cap, Kaspa is pretty stagnant. We actually dropped from about 27 in total market cap down to 30. But do not let this fool you. None of this is financial advice. This is my personal opinion, but do not make these type of mistakes that people who are fudding Kaspa will lead you to do. But first, I want to welcome you to Freeman Finance and Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense. I want to please encourage everyone to also subscribe to the channel. Currently, only 3.7% of folks are subscribed to the channel. So please pause this video, subscribe. It helps out the channel more than you know, and turn on that bell notification. But we can never lose sight as to why we invested in something in the first place. Okay, Kaspa is revolutionary. They even say right here, for Kaspa, we look to silver, which is presented as a trade-off versus gold. Okay, they view Kaspa as the silver to Bitcoin's gold, and it truly, truly is. Except for Bitcoin is not cheap in the sense or fast when sending transactions or anything. So you can see here, Kaspa's vision with the project is to build a Bitcoin-like service that operates as fast as internet speeds allowed. That was never thought about whenever Bitcoin was made. It was the very first cryptocurrency. It's the granddaddy of them all. And so it didn't need to be that fast because nobody was using it. Okay? But the same idea still applies, okay? And it even talks about here compared to the number two, the first altcoin, number two overall cryptocurrency, Ethereum, how Ethereum will fragment its networks, hinder compatibility, and dramatically change the underlying assumptions and dynamics with their roll-ups, okay? Kaspa is not proof of stake, it is proof of work, just like Bitcoin was, okay? Just like it was intended to be, except for this is far more scalable and far faster. And I think it's better. I've already seen videos of people paying with Kaspa overseas, and I think that's amazing, and I think we will get to that. Kaspa currently has still getting great engagement, 200,000 followers on X, like they posted here when they broke 200,000, but they're doing a lot. I know they've been spreading out to Africa and different regions over there. Oh, this is actually Kaspa Africa that posted it. But yeah, so they're continuing to spread the word on Kaspa, but the price isn't moving. Why not? Because consolidation has to happen. Anything that's hot must cool down, okay? So let's go back a month, okay? Or in fact, let's go back a year. I remember early last year when Kaspa was 1 or 2 cents. People were saying, in 2025, can it hit 5 cents? And people were saying, no way, it couldn't. Well, you've got to remember, Kaspa is not even on any major exchanges in the United States. They're on Uphold, but the fees are crazy high. You are best to use a DEX, a decentralized exchange. But you see here, you do not see any Coinbase, you do not see any Binance, any of those listings you do not see. So we've got to remember that. We've got to remember that. But when people were fudding it right here, what did it do? It shot up. And then as it was stagnating down and went down to the 10-cent mark where I ended up buying more, people were fudding that. Kaspa's going to crash. Kaspa's going to crash. Well, now let's kind of zoom in a little bit. So now we're here. We hit a peak of what, 20 cents almost, 19 cents. And so now we're at the 17 cent mark. We had a couple double bottoms right here that barely broke into the 16-cent time frame. But we're at a consolidation phase right now. This is very normal and this is healthy. It's healthy not to see a big drop off when prices go up. That means it could be a potential rug pull, people just trying to make a quick buck. This is consolidating. That is very healthy. Now, I'm not saying that this cannot pull back. You know, none of this is financial advice, but if you do look at the market cap, we are in extreme greed right now, which isn't the best for long-term gains, but the markets continue to prove us wrong with the BTC ETF. Just this week, Bitcoin is up 10%, which is crazy when you think they have a market cap over $1 trillion. That's $100 billion of inflows coming in for Kaspa. But so we can't can't forget, though, why we originally invested in this asset. Okay, so I think this consolidation phase is not going to last too long. It's my personal opinion, and I do expect us to jump up and try to hit the 25-cent rank before eventually consolidating and going up even more. So we have fallen from, I think we hit 27th in total market cap, as I was saying, and now we're down to 30. All of this is completely normal. I still expect Kaspa to be a top 10 crypto during the 2025 bull run. I have videos on that. Please go watch them. I guarantee you will like them. But yeah, thank you all for joining Freeman Financing Crypto. I just don't want anyone to lose conviction in a great project as in Kaspa when they haven't even started building smart contracts yet. No smart contracts and no major central exchanges in the United States. This is crazy for it to be at the market cap it's at with that. But thank you for joining Freeman Financing Crypto, where if it makes money, it makes sense.